Hello. Acoustipow or acoustic power is the other name of sound power or sound energy. So this project is all about converting sound energy to electrical energy. This we first came up with this idea due after seeing the severe power shortages that have been happening in India since decades. India faces a power shortage um, of the severe power shortages in the year 2021, and only after that in March 2022, which was the worst power shortage in 5 years. 574 million units of shortage was seen from March 1st to March 30, which is like a lot. A lot of rural areas have been not been accessible to power for 2 or 3 days. So, as we can see here, the history of India's power shortage, we can understand how severely we have been affecting with the deficit of in power and shortages in electricity. So, India has a massive power deficit of minus 16.6% in 2007 to 2008 and minus 10.6% in 2011 to 2012 and minus 7% in 2020 to 2021, so which is still in negatives. And so whether it is renewable or non-renewable source of energy, everything is going to be fading out. One day we're going to run out of every power source. So running out of power source is, which means no water, no food, and no hospitals, and no life eventually. Water, and nowadays everything we use like water, the showers, everything is electricity related. And food, we are industrialized now, so every food we are eating, the one or the other input of it is from the industries. And hospitals, medication has improved a lot, technology is medication go hand in hand. So sound, basically sound is everywhere at every single place. So our idea is, why not make it a potential energy source? So sound can be extracted from almost everywhere. Wherever humans are, sound can be extracted from there. So in India, there are 2,636 million people that travel by trains annually, metros annually, and 22 million passengers use railway trains every day. So there's a lot of noise that um, is being made in the railway stations, so which is a lot of energy source. And concerts, as you can see, 52% of US population attend concerts every year. So just imagine how many sound sources will be there: the singer, the band, the audience, the footsteps, the businesses, so many. So when coming to the next slide, manufacturing of solar panels, water, similarly, as we've discussed before, the renewable source of energy is like the solar, the geothermal, the wind energy, and all of this we will be eventually running out of them at one day, because the sun again only comes in the morning. The solar panels, the won't be charged in the night. And water, earth is going to be, obviously the water levels are decreasing, and it's going to be running out of water as well due to the climatic changes. So sound, as long as humans are there on this planet, sound is there. So how do we convert sound energy to electricity? So this can be done as there's no much research on the internet. I've tried to extract as much as information I can. So the source of sound is basically the sound waves are generated from the source, and this is converted into electrical energy by the piezoelectric using energy transducers. So an energy transducer is something that changes the vibration from the noise into electrical energy. So noise is power. It's basically, so why call it a pollution? It's an energy source. It's a potential energy source. It'll be something that humans will use one day. Thank you.